Just changed its policy on white-tailed deer rehabilitation. No wildlife rehabber is allowed to care for any deer because of a spike in chronic wasting disease. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald explains what this means for fawns who were just born.
So are you going to have a door here and a door there?
One of this TWRA captain's many duties.
Okay, what about that wall? Okay, that's going to be a wall.
Is inspecting wildlife rehabilitation centers.
There'll be a mesh screen on the inside to protect their feathers.
Captain Russell Bowles has high standards.
They have to go that extra step to keep those animals from being humanized so they can have a good life in the wild.
Right now at Harmony Wildlife, there are a lot of young animals. Several species give birth in the spring, including deer.
They're going to drop them in your yard because your yard, you have manicured lawns, you have your shrubs, you have your plants, you have your own dogs, you're there, and animals see that as a safe haven.
Unfortunately, deer are in danger in Tennessee. Chronic wasting disease, or CWD, is killing them. In these counties, deer are spreading it to each other.
It's a slowly progressing disease, and it affects the brain and central nervous system of the animal and causes the cells to degenerate.
To help slow the spread, rehabs can no longer take in deer.
We have 2/3 of the state that we're trying to protect.
The video you've seen so far inside the facility was actually shot on a GoPro by the workers for us. The less human interaction, the better for wild animals.
For years, these rehabbers and others have guided people on what to do or not do with animals on their properties.
90% of the fawns that are taken are kidnapped. They are taken away from their mother. And when they get into the rehab program, they have more of a chance of being imprinted, which means that they're not scared of humans.
Sometimes, the TWRA captain says, animals are just safer out there than in here.
It's a wild animal, that's where it needs to be.
In Westmead, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
CWD is fatal in white-tailed deer, mule deer, elk, and moose.